Yo, what's going on YouTube? This Lyndon RC215, yes sir, back with another video. And today we got the Redcat Valkyrie TR4S. Let's go, baby. I said I was gonna get it, and it took me a while. I got it. I know I'm late to the party, but hey, better late than never. Do a quick unboxing of this thing. Yes, sir. Got my well, this is like my second truggy. So man, I like truggies, so I had to get this one. Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. All right, let's go unbox this thing. Yes, sir. Take her out. Put that on the floor. Yes, sir. Comes with that transmitter. Let's see what she looking like. See what she look like. All right, this your transmitter. You get 2.4 gigahertz. I think it's a three to four yeah, 4-channel remote. That's what you get with it. Got all your functions on here, buttons on it, on and off, steering, throttle, steering rates, throttle reverse. What else? Throttle, yeah, steering reverse. All your basic functions on your transmitter. Redcat. Yes, sir. You see it. I'm gonna put that on the side. Oh yeah, let's get to the beef of this baby. Let's go. Take this cardboard out. What else you get? Oh yeah, here you go. Get your instructions, stickers. That's about it. That's all you get. They don't give you no type of tools. I mean, Redcat should start giving people tools if it's like their first RC. That'd be cool. But yeah, this is what you get. Put that on the side. And here she go, fellas. Yes, sir. And here she go. Yes, sir. Redcat Valkyrie, that truggy, baby. There she go. Looking nice. Yes, sir. I like how they did the tire. They put the 4S little 4S logo inside the tire. I like that. Yes, sir. These tires is nice and plush. Yes, sir. All right. For the best part of unboxing the RC, peeling that plastic off. Yeah. Yes, sir. Woo, she looking nice. 4S, baby. Some of the features you get, you get the brushless power, you get the 3670 size motor, 1950 kV motor, you get the 4S Hobby Wing ESC. Yes, girl, they got a little thing with Hobby. They got a little, I guess, a little contract with Hobby Wing now. They putting Hobby Wing motors in they RCs. That's a plus. Man, I like how they did this. The body clips. They got the little body clip protector, so you won't scratch up your body when you putting them in and putting them back, taking this body off. That's nice. Let's take this body off. Yeah, they kind of stiff though. They kind of hard and stiff. Wow, yeah, these joints. Whew. Damn. Let's go. It's the body. Yeah, it's a little. It's all right. All right, but this is what she looked like in the inside. Got the XT90 plugs. Yes, sir. I got a couple of 4S batteries with the XT90 plugs, so I'm good. I ain't got to buy no more batteries. This is the motor I was talking about, 1950 kV. It's the hobby wing. See, 4S. Yeah, this thing looking nice, man. This thing is plush too. These shocks, look at that. Yeah, I like that. Yes, sir. Ooh, I can't wait to get out and run this. You got the Redcat battery straps. I heard some people said they don't like them. I don't know if they too small or you can't get a bigger battery. They won't wrap around a bigger 4S battery. So I'm gonna see if I have to. I'll just switch them out. They got the little foam block in here. Put bigger batteries in. You can adjust it. Yeah, man. Plastic chassis. Plastic chastity. You know what I mean? If y'all know what I'm talking about, Fun Zone. Yeah, man. This thing is, whew, this is nice. Oh, here you go. Willy bar. Yes, sir, man. I'm gonna have some fun with this one. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. So this was a little nice quick unboxing of the Redcat TR Truggy. Yes, sir. New RC to the fleet. Y'all see it. Doing it Linden RC21 style, unboxing style. Man, she looking nice, man. Yes, sir. Oh, what else I got? I got the forgot to tell y'all about the the servo, 35 kg, 7.4 volt, 42. Oh, and 42 kV at 8.4 volts. They say it's waterproof, dust proof, metal gears, digital servo. Yeah, I mean, that's about it. Everything you would need to know about this car. But, man, I can't wait to get out and run this thing. Oh, man, it's going to be awesome. Yes, sir. But, man, appreciate y'all watching. And catch y'all in the next one. Peace.